That's it for the day.
There's some of y'all Boxtruck right here. So I'm gonna be Boxtruck. They got an IFTA stick on it already. Okay. So I mean they CDL. Okay. All right then. Oh, okay. Top of the morning, y'all. I look rough, right? Little birdie. Little birdie. Might go hit this gym. Get some stuff out my truck, what's in my car. And I gotta do some laundry, man. You know, get on the road, you gotta wash your clothes, gotta be clean. You know what I'm saying? Cleanliness is godliness. Well, I'm out here in Haiti. Not Haiti, Haiti, Hyati. I don't know. But yeah, I get a little workout in, early morning workout also. And after that, eat some breakfast. Free breakfast, man. It's a good hotel. You know what I mean? Eat breakfast and dinner. I'm good. I gotta spend $1. Everything, it's all about preserving, holding that money back. You know. Yeah. I am literally in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing around here. It's the hotel right here. It's Walmart like 17 miles away. You know it now. I'm from South Florida. You know Walmart on every block. Oh yeah, there you go. They got your box trucks right there. All you need is the box. Boxtruck with a sleeper, boy. You can tell that's custom. Like that. It's Orlando. How you gonna fit in here? You 6'4". Look at me now. Hey. And I can get better than this. I ain't even see. I leave my head up on the glass. I come back. What's wrong with him? I'm comfortable. It's like I'm laying on my couch. What's up, y'all? I didn't get to record that drop off for some reason, but here we are. We at the next stop location right here. Load going back to Jacksonville.
You know it's
It's a nice little load.
Hey, okay then. I didn't even know this. It's my first time staying in the Stay Bridge. And definitely not disappointed. I might cook it up today. You know? But it's still IAG. You see the card. You know what goes on right here? Nothing. My wife is at home. Sleep. That's it. Okay, I don't know what this is. What the heck is that? All right, this must be for like long stand. Okay. I feel it. I dig it. Okay. I dig it though. I dig it. All right. Let's look at my view, guys. Oh, beautiful view of the trash can, cars, and nothing. Hey, I dig it. Hey. Who that is? Who that is? Hey, girl. Look at her. Stop playing with me. Okay, we're dropping off this load. We in Jacksonville, and the next stop is in my area. Y'all, I'm back home. A little pre-trip going on. Oh, we got a guest in there. We got a surprise guest, y'all. You know what I mean? But good morning. It's a beautiful day. Pre-trip, which first thing I did is check my oil, check my fluids, make sure all my fluids are good. Make sure all my lights is right. You know what I mean? I check the tires too.
My lights is good. So I do the blinkers. That's how you test your lights. Left, right. For me, that's what I'm doing. At least that's how I do it. All lights is good. Top of the morning, y'all. Top of the morning. It's your boy Lando. I am the man, dude. She just messed that up, man. I was about to say I got a special guest today, but I guess y'all already saw it. We got a special guest today. Miss Chambers. She riding out with me today. She gonna get some OJT, one-on-one training, some on-the-job training. That's what OJT stands for, right? On-the-job training? Yeah. So yeah, she ride with me today. We only got one stop. You know, I came from Texas to Jacksonville. I dropped off a stop in Jacksonville. Now I got a stop in Miami, not too far from my house. I'm gonna drop that off, and that's it for the day. I'm off. On it? You wanna see it? We gonna see how she do today. You ready for today?
I sure am.
What you gonna do?
Nothing.
Nah, you gonna do something. You gonna do something, but yeah, we out here. Yeah, I know I need to shave and stuff like that. I probably, this is the roughest I've ever looked. Yeah, if you know me, you know I cut my hair sometime twice a week. But yeah, I'm rocking it like this, man. Powers in the hair, I guess. Nah, but yeah, follow me. Yeah, Amazon. I ain't delivering for Amazon, but I'm delivering for Amazon, if that makes sense. We'll go check out, you know, vest. My vest's a little small. Don't laugh at me. I gotta buy me another one. Came with this little package thing, so yeah. We here though. Got on the job. Hey. She on the job now. What you doing? Push this down. Push that down. Nails all pretty and stuff. Now go ahead. Now you can pump it. Just keep pumping. You know. You hear it?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, that's it?
Yeah, you can start pulling. You should be able to pull it. Or nah, no, you don't gotta touch that.
Oh.
There you go. Don't touch that at all. That's how you let it down.
Alright, now pull.
Yep, there you go. There you go. Lift it a little bit higher. Pump it one more time. Pump it a couple more times. Pump it some more. No. Yeah. Don't ever touch that. I don't know why you're so obsessed with touching that. Keep doing. Okay. Pump it. Pump again. There you go. A little bit more. Okay. There you go. Let me see where you at. Come back this way. There you go. Now you just press that button. Now you can drop it, press the button. The same button you've been obsessed with. So, cause I'm at Amazon, I got approved to drive for them anyway, so might as well get an ID. Ooh, look at that. I will get an ID. I don't necessarily plan on driving for them, but just in case, you gotta have it in your back pocket. So yeah, we're here. It's the longest I've ever grown my beard, and I look rough too. But don't worry, tomorrow we look clean. You know what I mean? My wife don't like my beard. I want to grow it, see how long I can grow it. By the old job, so you know how to pull up on them. Hey. You know. There she go. I'm gonna show you. That white truck over there. was my first truck right there. First truck I drove from Clean Harbor. That's CDL though. That's not non-CDL.